Alright guys, this was the most awkward thing that I've ever made, so I just want you to know that. But I do it for you because you're nice people. So we're looking at some of the paperwork from example 1. Okay, this down here is the important stuff that you need for the Schedule A. Everything else you're still going to need for the 1040, but this pink stuff is what you're going to need for the Schedule A. And then this one down here you're going to need for the Schedule A, your mortgage interest statement. All right, so you've got those papers. We're going to switch over to the Schedule A now. Now, like I told you guys, this is where you're going to itemize your deductions to find out if it's worth using this as opposed to the standard deduction that you get just for being you. So based on our paperwork, we're going to fill this in, and then we're going to use this information on line 40 of our 1040 form. So there's a whole lot of numbers for you. Let's start at the beginning here. All right, so based on this information that I gave you, we know that we've got property taxes, New York State taxes, charitable donations, and a mortgage payment. All right, so we'll switch over here. You don't have to worry about anything in boxes 1, 2, and 3 because we just don't have anything. So box 4, you're not going to have anything for that either. Your state taxes, we did have state taxes. All right, our state taxes were $2,894. So we're going to enter that in here. And then we did have our real estate taxes from our property taxes, which are $1,899. So we'll put those in. And then we don't have any of the other ones, so we'll add your 2,894 plus your 1,899 gives you a grand total of 4,793 for that section. Your home mortgage interest from your form 1098. That was another one that we had. So that's 4,576. So just pop that right in here. And then we really don't have to worry about any of these other things. So we'll just copy that over here. And then our charitable donations, that came from the info that I gave you as well, $300. And like I told you guys in class, we're going to assume that your charitable donations came from many small payments instead of any one gift of more than the $250 to keep it simple. So we got our charitable donations, nothing for these other boxes, so it comes over here. Basically, we don't have anything else for this section or this section, so we can pop zeros in there for those or leave them blank, whatever you want to do. We need to figure out our total. So on line 29, we're going to add up the 4793, the 4576, and the 300. Just add those together. You get a total of 9669, and we know that from our 1040 line 40 that our standard deduction is $6,350. We know that if we go with this itemized deduction, we'll be getting $9,669. That's the better deal. So when it comes time to do our tax form, over here on line 40, instead of putting in the standard deduction from the side here like we were doing before, we're going to put in the 9669. Basically, you want to put whatever you can in this box, the higher the better. All right, so you fill in the rest of the tax form just like you did regularly the last couple of days in class. I will post this answer key so that you can double check your answers. I'll have the Schedule A posted as well so you can double check those answers, and hopefully you feel pretty confident with this stuff. If you do have any questions, let me know and I will cover it when I see you again on Friday. Have a great rest of your day, guys.